Welcome back to Land the House. Now you may be wondering, why is this video going up on Monday and not Thursday? I'm starting a 2 vlog a week, so hopefully I'll be able to keep that up. I actually just found a show on Netflix called Tidying Up. It's this Japanese lady that goes into people's homes and she cleans up their house, or helps them to clean up the house. And she always starts with the clothing. So I've been motivated by this show, and I'm going to go through my closet and dresser and just clean up my clothes. So I'm kind of in a position right now where I want to organize my life a little bit better, and so this I think will help. The first step is to, what do you have? What is this? This is some of Dad's earplugs. See, it's empty. Sorry, it's a naked child, or almost naked. The first step is to gather all of your clothing and put it on the bed so that you can see everything you have. Then you're supposed to lay on the floor and thank the house, which I might skip that step. Basically, you just see if an article of clothing is something you want to keep, so let's do that. I know a lot of people are afraid to show their closet, but I have nothing to hide, so I'm gonna start with all of this, just gather it up and put it on the bed. I've known for a while that I've had just too much stuff, and so I think it's gonna be helpful to give some of it away. Coming through, watch out, coming through. You know you haven't worn something in a long time when there's a ½ inch of dust on the hanger. Okay, except for a few things that I'm washing that I use every day, that is my pile of clothes. It's kind of embarrassing. Some of these clothes I've had for 15 years, so it's definitely time to get rid of some of the stuff. Before we start on this, let's head outside to my sister's car. She just showed up. She brought a couple of boxes for me out here. So let's go get those. As part of my search to be more organized, I have ordered this guy, which is a desktop calendar. I'm gonna talk to you here in a bit about this, but I'm gonna try to keep a list for the weekly items and then the calendar for when those items are due. And items, I mean like YouTube videos or big projects that I'm working on. So that's what's in that one. This guy will be a product review coming up soon. I spent like 200 bucks on that, and this is just a bunch of check valves for ram pumps. So my sister and mom have started a business. You may have watched this in my crossbow video, but they have ice packs on Amazon, and then also these really high dollar lunch bags. So I'll have those linked in the description down below. I just saw them out here in her car, so. Okay, back inside to do some work. Okay, let's begin this clothes purging task here. Where to begin? Some slick pants. I think the pile of giveaway is gonna be right down there. So let's see what we got here. Now, I'm not gonna show you every step here, but shirts like this, it's my old work shirt that I used to have on the channel. It's like Special Olympics. On YouTube you get some really hateful comments, and I wore this in one of my old videos and somebody's like, you definitely belong in the Special Olympics. So I'm gonna throw this out. So that over there is the trash pile. Okay, trash pile. So this may take me a minute or two. I will come back whenever I have pared this down. You wanna drink some bottle for our trip? Okay. Yeah. She does. Guess what Mom's got? You need some balloons? Mom doesn't have balloons.
You want some, Baba?
Look, there's Emma. Hey, hey, hey. Well, so far I've managed to get 2 bags for the giveaway pile and then 1 for the just throwaway pile. And almost done here. It's nice to have all of this gone because it was a big mess. But we're about to go off to eat supper with the family. So I may bring you along for a quick clip of that, and I might not. Jump! We have returned from our trip. We went to Staples and actually bought a few things for her bullet journaling. She's just starting that. We're just kind of motivated now for getting more organized in life. Then we went to the mall and just shopped around for a while, and then went out to eat for Brad's birthday. I thought about getting some footage, but did not. My closet is looking much better in here. Got my nice stuff and my jackets, and then everything actually fits in drawers now, so should be good. Of course I saved all of my Land of House shirts, but anyway, that was nice. So I'm gonna also be doing my office, so like filing cabinet. I've got papers from years ago, but anyway, that's for another time. I wanted to open up my calendar and see what that looks like real quick. I was looking for a nothing special calendar, and I think this is going to be it here. Very basic, but I should be able to write my main goals down, and then have my list that will either be a daily or a weekly list. And so, for example, if I have like a vlog on Monday coming up, I could write down the title of that vlog, and then my list can be things that I'm going to be accomplishing in that vlog. So should be good. In case you're new to the channel, I work third shift on the weekends, and I also work Friday, so it's kind of a really packed schedule. I really enjoy it. Whenever I was in college, I would always compartmentalize work and school. So if I was going to go to school, it'd be like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then I'd work, you know, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or something like that. So I've always enjoyed having blocks of time, and it's no different now. Well, I just got home, and it is beginning to snow a bit. At the beginning of this vlog, you saw a clip of a couple days ago with some massive snowflakes, like knock you over snow. But I think we're still going to try to go to church here in just a bit. Should be good. So I may... I know it's not spring, but I kind of have this I want to clean everything up attitude right now. And my car, let's see, it's a disaster back there, and then in here as well. So it's too cold for that. But anyway, I was driving home from work, and there was an SUV that was flipped up on its side. Not sure how that happened. It's a little bit slick out here, like 26 degrees. But so the reason I was mentioning my car is I'm gonna move stuff to the back real quick in case we take this to church. So what do you think about having 2 Land of House vlogs in a week? I have maybe 4 or 5 YouTubers that I watch consistently, and they're big YouTubers, and they're making videos almost daily. And when they miss a day, I'm like, oh man, that's no good. So I was just thinking about that, and the way I only make like 1 good video a week, it's gotta be disappointing for you. So let me know. I think that 2 vlogs should be good in the week. Because I started this vlog late, I'm gonna go ahead and end it now. But next week, when I have 2 more days, I'm gonna try and just make a more full vlog. So I'll have 2 full vlogs every week. Not gonna go outside probably for the next day or so because it is snowing once again out here. Definitely cold. It was 23, it's supposed to get down to 17 here in a little while. But anyway, so today I'm going to film a clean the house video. I know it's not going to be typical content for the channel, but Ashley is really starting to feel the contractions, and it won't be long before we have a new baby in the house. So I want to clean this thing from top to bottom as best I can this afternoon. So when that video comes out, probably in the next day or so, just enjoy it. All right, thanks for watching, and write content down below in the comments if you want me to film something new. I'm looking to start doing more videos a week so that you can have more consistency on the channel. All right, see you next time. Bye. I've already started going through my filing cabinet, as you can see here on my desk. Just wanted to mention that the introduction of my calendar and lists in this video will be continued later whenever I have some experience with it. I'm planning on doing a dedicated video on how I am managing my YouTube and progress. So just wanted to mention that.